Hey YouTube, we just got finished installing the Supreme Heat 2750 waste oil furnace. It works off of a fixed speed pump, as you can see over here, also a spin-on filter. You have your feed here from the outdoor tank into the pump, and then this is the feed to the actual burner itself. If you come over here, we hooked in our air line to the compressor, the ball valve, so you can turn it off overnight or whenever he would need to. Come back here, you can see the stack. We braced it to the supporting beam up top as well as a ready rod on the bottom to support it. We also put I-beam clamps on so that the furnace can't move in case it would shake or anything like that when the fan comes on. We have custom vent work here with 2 offshoots that they're going to install themselves. And then you come out front and we have on the other side that goes to the main garage. This giant opening with louvers in case there's too much or not enough. Change that.